Today's video is brought to you by Audible. To start your 30-day free trial, head over to audible.com/today or text today to 500-500. Listen to your books. So with the iPhone XS, one of my favorite features is the camera. I thought it'd be fun to put it through its paces, but on a more extreme level. Hands down, one of my favorite accessories for the iPhone is the Anamorphic Lens from Moment, which is insane. It's so much fun. I thought it'd be fun to put that through its paces and stack that side by side against a real anamorphic lens on a rig that costs more than Quinn's Model 3. So if you own a Moment case and you use the wide angle or the telephoto lens, that's the same idea here. This is the anamorphic piece, it pops onto the case, and that's where the magic happens. So what you're looking at right now is being shot through the Arri Alexa Mini and that beautiful Cooke anamorphic glass. One of the easiest ways you can spot an anamorphic shot is one, that sweet J.J. Abrams style lens flare, so just point a light at it and it goes crazy. You could have fun with this for days. The other way, if you look behind me, that is actually also what we're doing right there with this light here. That's an iPhone gaff tape to a post, which I don't recommend you do at home, but it looks cool nonetheless. I actually used that for my full iPhone review. And if you missed that, I'll link that up here or down below. Lastly, if you look behind me, those beautiful bokeh balls. Everybody loves bokeh balls. In this case, they're not circular, they're actually oblong or oval because JD wanted me to sound smarter than I actually am. So now we're looking through the Moment anamorphic lens through the iPhone XS. This is being done through the Moment app, which is awesome because one, it's doing all the work for the anamorphic footage, and two, you can control ISO, white balance, which is really helpful in this situation. Now I'm gonna go ahead and assume that it probably doesn't look as good as the Arri Alexa Mini footage, but that is to be expected. Nonetheless though, it's pretty awesome and impressive that you can do this on a smartphone. We of course have that fun, beautiful blue flare here. And lastly, if you throw that light at it, you're just gonna have that anamorphic flare for days. I will say, once you get into those really low light situations, it does kind of get a little grainy, so make sure you have a ton of light, whether it's eccentric light like this, or when you're closer to sunset or dusk, you can get some amazing results like this, like Stevie rocking that 80s retro jacket like a boss. Also, drop a huge like for Stevie. He actually caught that amazing cinematic footage towards the beginning of this video. Now, towards the beginning of the video, I was using the DJI Osmo Mobile 2, which is fantastic for the price, but to take this rig to the next level, the Movi cinema robot from FreeFly is amazing. It's a little on the pricier side, but it's built like a tank, and if you're using the Moment lens or an attachment or something like a microphone, it's gonna handle that weight so much better. So clearly the iPhone is not gonna compete with the Arri or that Cooke glass, which by itself costs as much as a car, but nonetheless, it's awesome that you have something like this on a smartphone. Now again, big thanks to Audible for sponsoring today's video. We're all busy, we're out shooting iPhone videos and anamorphic. It's a little hard to make some time for reading, but Audible makes that super easy. Whether you're at the beach or a gym or on a walk, consuming a book in audio form is amazing. Speaking of shooting awesome video, one book I'm listening to right now is How to Shoot Video That Doesn't Suck, which is amazingly helpful. If you're an aspiring cinematographer or just looking to get better at video, you guys can check it out for free for 30 days. Head over to audible.com/today or text today to 500-500. Aside from that, thank you guys very much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this fun video. If you did, make sure you guys subscribe. And if you missed my full iPhone XS Max video, you can check that up here or down below, and I'll catch you guys later.